Tickety boo and good are you? It's been a while since I've done this. It's the guy that hardly cooks. And guess what? I'm cooking. I am going to cook my favourite pork knuckle. I've seen it done and I'm going to have a go doing it myself. Check out what I've got here. This is it, the Bavarian style pork knuckle. It's already been cooked. It's been slow cooked for 6 hours. It's ready to be heated up, or as it says here, ready to crackle. I paid nearly $12. I've seen some of them for $10 as well. So, and there's enough for 2 serves in here, which I'll probably eat some today and some tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I've got my salt and I've got my oil spray. So I'll walk you through the steps. I'm wearing these gloves and yeah, just follow me. Okay, so firstly, take it out of the packaging and I'm going to have to take all this fat and jelly, everything off, and give it a good wipe down with a paper towel. Okay, so that's the first step, hence the gloves. Okay, now that I've dried it and I've cleaned all the fat and the jelly all off it, I'm going to wrap the base in alfoil. Here you have it, all the base of it, the meat area, is wrapped in alfoil. So it's just all the skin part is all exposed. So I'm going to spray the skin now with the virgin oil, and then I'm going to douse it with salt all over it. Okay, now that it's got the oil sprayed on it and it's been assaulted, so to speak, it's going into the air fryer. Okay, 180 degrees. For 40 minutes. First, we'll come back to it. Now I don't like mess, so I've put everything in here, all the scrap fat and jelly and everything, and all the things that I've used back in here, which will go back into the box, and I'll throw that in the freezer, and when the bin day comes around, it will come out of the freezer and go in the bin. Okay, there it is. 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Looks pretty good. Now it goes back in. And it's going in now. (200 degrees) at 15 minutes. Yep. And we'll come back to it. Okay, here we have it. All done. Let it sit now for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll crack it open. I've got the gravy and I've got my vegetables. My mouth's watering already just thinking about it. Okay, this has been sitting for 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. Now let's do the little test here. Oh, crack that open. Oh, look at that. Oh. Ha! Look at that, the bone just comes straight out. The meat's just fallen straight off it. Oh. Oh, that crackling. Oh. Still pretty hot. Whew. I'll have to let it cool down a bit before I eat any of it. Man, oh man, oh man. back to it in a very short time. Okay, there we have it. That's all the bone and the fat all cut out from underneath the crackling. There's all the meat. There's my gravy. There's the crackling. Now, let's do a taste test on the crackling. Oh, you can see I've cut all the fat out of it. That's meat down the bottom. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Love my pork. Oh, absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do is, I'll show you. Pork, sauce, and in the mouth. Oh. Love it. But I still like it when I pay for it. Somebody else does the cooking, does the cleaning up as well. So there you have it. German style pork knuckle from Woolworths. Around about $10 to $12. Serves two. Yeah, I'm not going to be a pig. I'll only eat half of this and have the rest of it for lunch tomorrow probably. Like my stuff, love my stuff, share my stuff, subscribe, follow me. Hooroo.